guys, we're gonna open my package today because it arrived. Let's open it. As you can see, I have Artem with me and Ghost with me. They can stay to the side. And here's my package. I tried my best to take everything off and took the tape off so it's easier for me. And we're gonna open it now. Let me get a bit closer so we can see it better. Okay, I'm excited. Smaller than I expected. I think he just face gives me, but that's okay. We're gonna just leave with it and fix it later. Look at him. He is incredibly interesting texture. He is very interesting texture. I don't know how to describe him. His legs are incredibly soft. Something feels weird about him. Let me take a look at him and maybe fluff him up because it's really weird. So much fur fell off. Okay, he's not looking much better. I think he will need brushing. Why is he kind of balding? Okay, let me show you his tag. Other side. And he has, I believe it's the European version of the tag. I'm not sure. Let me grab Ghost. Wow. No, I'm gonna reveal myself accidentally. Yes, he has the American tag, so yes, the fox is the European version. And I'm gonna move away so I can show you the size difference of them. Like, the fox is really small. I didn't expect him to be this small. I know Drake is one of the largest deluxe in this position, but still. Let me grab Artyom and see. They're kind of the same size. It's confusing because he's adorable. I just have some issues with him. I'm gonna stop the recording now and edit it so we can see him. Okay. He's kinda cute. I feel like his mouth is so crooked, his snout is so crooked. I cannot hold this camera. Why? He's pretty sweet.